Guys, I'm Rudy and today I'm gonna teach you how to create form for volunteer application. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your plugin, RTMKit and RTMKit Form Builder. And after that, you create page and add and edit the Elementor, and you go to add flexbox, and after flexbox you add element and RTM form, drag and drop it. After you drag and drop it, click edit form. Here you can make new form, create new name of the form, and confirmation to email, check, subject to email, test, volunteer, or only you can just create test for now on, and you put your email. After you put your email in here, you copy paste to email reply to and test message damage. And after create this, you go to notification email and you check again, and here subject email, test, email from and email to, and admin note, and after that you save and edit. After you save and edit, you wait first, it's loading to another screen for Elementor that you can create form in it, and you can just drag and drop it, or you just can use ready template that already available in RTMKit when you install RTMKit in your plugin. But first you need to wait, and after that you can just go to use ready template from RTMKit, and you can go to here to this icon, or you can just go made by yourself as well. But in this tutorial I'll show you how to use this form. Choose wireframe, choose form, and volunteer application, import it, and here's volunteer application that you can use. If you want another box, you can just create by yourself here. If you want another option, you can use this one, RTM form, or you can just go with this one. Save and close. After that, publish, and you can try to use it in here. View, you can just try how to use it. Test, email, test, add. You can put email as well. Test, and here is checkbox, comment in here, hi, submit application, and sending. And after that, you can go to runtime and theme builder, and you can go to form. And here's the form that you already created, and here's the data that you are here's the entries, and here's the data that you can download it. If you want RTMKit Form Builder, you can just download it for your plugin. Thank you.